After I discovered this chicken recipe, my family asks for it every week. Start by making several cuts in 900 g of chicken. Relax, it'll make sense in the end, you'll see. Season with salt to taste and use black pepper to taste. Now mix everything together with your hands. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, that's what gives it flavor. Repeat the same process on the other side to ensure an even more incredible taste. Put some wheat flour on a plate and generously bread the chickens. They deserve that crunch. Heat a frying pan with 3 tablespoons of milk butter. The aroma is already filling the air. Then put the chickens in to fry until golden brown. Look at that color. Turn the chickens over so that both sides have the same texture and flavor. It's all about balance. Add another tablespoon of milk butter to ensure that the flavor is well distributed. Now add 3 cloves of garlic and mix. The smell is getting irresistible. Top up with a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of vinegar and 90 g of honey. Mix everything well to ensure juiciness and cook for 2 minutes. Turn the chickens over to keep both sides delicious. And pour some of the sauce on top for better incorporation of flavors. Finish with chives to taste. It gives it a wonderful freshness. And here it is. Our sensational chicken breaded in honey flour is ready. Did you like this recipe? Then don't forget to like and follow our page for more great tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next time.